So that's exactly how long it takes, folks, to get from the floating market here on the green Long Island all the way over to the pier, the ferry pier, which I'm going to jump on right now. And the total cost is a whopping 20 baht, which is about 50 cents. No, about 60 cents, sorry. So my apologies for all the erratic filming. It's not easy to pay somebody with one hand. And kapkun mak kap. Not easy to pay somebody with one hand and juggle your money with the other. So now I'm going to pay my 5 baht, go back to Bangkok, which I'm going to show you a shot of from the pier. I hope I still have 5 baht and change. I doubt they're going to fill up quickly like they did. Well, maybe I'm wrong. There's bikes coming on every couple of moments. So I'm going to pay this young lady my 5 baht fee. Ooh, which I also have in 5 baht coins, or 1 baht coins. Kapkun mak kap. So it's 5 baht each way, and the boat is filling up. So I might just depart. We might just depart quickly. It's just, one motorcycle after another arriving. Boat is probably half full right now. So typically boats and buses here in Thailand don't leave until they're completely full. That way they maximize efficiency and the cost of the trip. So yeah, we're about 3/4 full right now. The captain is taking a nice, well-deserved break. And now I'm going to show you a little bit of the Bangkok skyline. Off in the distance, you can see the city of Bangkok straight through these windows, including the